Welcome back to Passive Income and Financial Business that we do here. So we teach you on business finance and passive income from Jetway Corporation. Last week we were talking about a Zoom meeting we're supposed to have. So this week we are going to be talking to you on be your own bank. Many people here be your own bank. They don't know what it means. So today I'm going to show you what we mean by being your own bank, because most people don't know what it means. So we're going to explain to you what be your own bank means. So follow me as I show you what it means to be your own bank. All right. Thank you. Okay. So here we are. We are in this board for training to explain what it means to be your own bank. Now, it's a very short video because I don't want it to be very long, so that people can ask their question and send their comment and request. We can have one-to-one talk. This right here just represents a financial vehicle or a financial house. There are two places you can put money, or there are several places, but for the sake of the video, I'm just going to select two of them. One is known as a bank. The other one is a life insurance company. Of course, when people hear of life insurance, they think of dying. The smart people, the people who runs this nation, they don't think about dying. They don't think about that. They know what it means. Oh, yeah. Now, when you have a bank account, what does it do for you? The checking account is for transaction, for you to pay bills. Maybe you pay bills. This day, most people don't write checks because there is Cash App now. There are Zelle. There are different things people use now to send money. People don't really write checks because some people, you write them check, they don't cash the check maybe after 2 weeks, 3 months. And sometimes those checks might cause imbalance in people's banking account, and it's a problem. So today, most people use banks just to receive their income or receive payments or receivables, and they pay bills because it's easy to pay bills through banking, because it's EFT. So that's why the bank is basically useful for human beings. But right now, if you put money in the bank for saving account, it's not going to do you no good. Of course, you can do that because you can use it for emergency fund. But if you are looking into that account to make you money to become rich and retired, it's not going to happen. It's not going to happen. Okay. If you put money in the bank use your money to make money. Okay? They use your money to make money. So what's the point? When you put money in the bank, they take the money and send it to China, to Japan to transact your money. When you go to the bank, you stand on that checking line and you drop your money right there. The bank does not have any vault that they go and put your money and lock it up. No. Your money is liquidity. It flow out and go for work for the bank. It works for the bank. And that means it's called OPM, other people's money. Bank use other people's money to make money. So we want to teach you how you can also be your own bank by using other people's money to make money for yourself and retire as easily as possible, and let's get out of the rat race. Okay? Now, bank, when they get your money, what do? They send it out for mortgage loan, credit card loans, student loan, or you can say car loans. Let's use car loans, for example. You work in the bank, you put your money in the checking account, the next guy comes in there, need a car loan. Guess whose money they're going to use? They're going to use your money to give to that guy for 6% interest on car loan, sometimes 8% interest on car loan, 4% interest. But on your checking account, what do they give you? Zero. No, as a matter of fact, they didn't penalize us for not keeping money in our checking account. They collect for some of us $16 every month. Some people $12 every month. They collect that money if you don't have enough money in that checking account. Why? Because they want to make sure that their borrowers are always short of having money from them. They want to make sure that, okay, in the bank account right now we have about 6 billion, or so we know what we can do. So we have to put some penalties. Anyway, if you put money in a bank, for example, you save the money in a saving account, whatever little interest that money make out of that account, the bank will send you a 1099. The bank will report it to IRS. You have to pay money on that money. Now, if you put money in the bank again and you need money, and you want to borrow money, what does the bank do? The bank check your credit, the bank will check your income, and what do you get? Most of the time, they say no. So we want to show you a place whereby you can put your money. Nobody controls. You are in control. You do not like the bank that tells you what to do. Yeah, when you put your money, the money is tax favored. When you put your money, the money accrue interest rates. When you put your money here, you also have what they call accelerated living benefit. This is a benefit that when people get cancer, they get heart attack, they get stroke. Some of these heavy critical illnesses, they can walk away with thousands of dollars from this account. I'm talking out of experience. I have clients who have walked away with money like that. As a matter of fact, one of my first clients that walked away with about $200,000. When I showed her this, she went over here and told the bankers, I need all my money from the saving account. She went and collected all her money from the saving account, and they were trying to talk her out of it. You know how the bankers will do, try to talk her out of it. She said, no. I found a man. I found a place. I've seen something. And guess what? She brought about $3,000, paid it for the whole year over here. And 1 year after, she was diagnosed with breast cancer. we filed a claim. See, that was money they were supposed to use to bury her. I'm telling you. They took about 75% of that money. As a matter of fact, she collected about $200,000 plus. And she's still alive today. Tell me about it. Can you get it from the bank? Over here also, your money is available when you need it. Your money is available when you need it. I have people, not just people have done it. I myself have done it. When I need the money, I call the insurance company. They ask me, do you want to also send me a check or to wire the money into your bank account? They don't ask me for what is your credit score. They don't ask me for my income level. They don't ask me if I have a job. They don't ask me all that stuff. You see, it's my money. And it's sitting there working for me with an interest rate. Some of them have interest of 5, 4, or what, you know. And yeah, you don't lose money. Over here, they tell you FDIC. FDIC, there's no guarantee on FDIC. Look at what is going on in the nation right now. Look at what is going on right now. Who is going to FDIC again? With all the issues going on with the federal government. So, there is no guarantee of even getting the FDIC of $250,000 when the bank falls. Insurance companies, they have been for years, thousands of years, and ruling. Most people don't know. The Rockefellers and all these generals, they have been using all these products for years. The JCPenney's, they have been using this product for years. Disney Watts, they have been using these products for years to make money. The OJs, they have been using these products for years to make money. And the money is tax favored because the insurance product covers the money and makes it tax favored. Anyway, if you have comments, if you have questions, you want to know more, send me a message. Send me a message. Okay? Send me a message. Next video we're going to do, I don't want you to miss it. I want you to subscribe on the channel, Passive Income and Business Finance. Subscribe on the channel so that when I'm going to do the next video, you don't want to miss, because we're going to be teaching a lot of things. You see, knowledge is what made the difference. Knowledge, what people know, others don't know, is what made the difference. Now, we're going to talk about no more mortgage. That's another one. People say, what do you mean by no more mortgage? The other one I talked about was be your own bank. Show people how to be their own bank. Now we're going to talk about no more mortgage. They say, what do you mean by no more mortgage? Well, you're going to find out how to clear up your debt. How to clear up debt using what we call OPM. Other people's money, clear up your debt, get debt-free so they can live a debt-free life. Can you imagine if you pay off the hugest amount of burden, which is mortgage or rent, and you don't have to do that every month? Oh my God, what a fresh air. So next week, we're going to be dealing with that, how to pay off that debt. We're going to show you the strategy. We're going to show you the vehicle that can be used also to get that done. So once again, subscribe, send requests, and we'll be able to follow up with you. This is Jetway Corporation by CEO Prosper Ehuni. Thank you for watching.